So the relationship has ended and they're no longer in your life. You couldn't make them stay. Despite your best effort to keep them and make them happy, they still left. The relationship was healthy. You gave them all the love, care, and attention that you could give, and they still left. Why is that? What if I told you that it was not your fault? Some people can't handle good things, and I'm not speaking metaphorically. People who have been in toxic relationships for too long won't be able to handle a healthy relationship. They simply run away from it. Being in a healthy relationship would just make them uncomfortable. It is extremely triggering for them. They have been in a toxic relationship for so long that their perception of healthy has changed. They start to love their abuser, the toxic ex. They crave it. They may not say it to your face. They may say how much they dislike their exes. But if you watch their actions, deep down that's what they crave. Eventually they will leave you and find someone who will treat them like shit. Because that's what makes them comfortable. Now, if you say this to their face, they will never admit this. They will tell you stories about how much they wish to be in a healthy relationship and wish to be treated well. That's what they think they want. But their unhealed traumas and wounds go so deep that eventually they will start missing the old toxic relationship and the uncertainty that comes with it. Your healthy love will never be enough for them. As long as they still have that trauma, your healthy love will bore them and they will start complaining. They will feel unfulfilled and they will feel like something is missing. And it will start to show in the relationship. For example, when a healthy person and a person who was previously in a toxic relationship start dating, in the beginning it will be good. All your habits will be loved and appreciated by them. But as soon as the honeymoon ends, that's when you'll realize they are not the person they say they are. They will start to distance themselves, they will start to complain, and they will start to become independent. Whatever excuse they can use to try to sabotage the relationship, they will use it. And in the end, the relationship ends. This is what happens. And this is probably what happened to you. It was never your fault. You might feel like you did something wrong and you weren't enough, but that's simply not true. It was never your fault. You were not in the wrong just because they didn't have the capacity to receive your love. Like I said, people who have unhealed traumas will sabotage healthy relationships, and they end up hurting innocent people whose intention was to truly love you. They can't handle a good, healthy relationship.